Hi everyone, Bike Paul here. So as I mentioned in my last video, I'm going to be fitting this radiator guard today, the Evotech radiator guard. Pretty straightforward, or should be. I've just done the first step, which is to take off these side panels on the bike. So this is a right hand side panel, just literally two little bolts there, you see them, just use an Allen key and they just screw straight off, so you repeat that on both sides. So I'll take the second one off and then we'll go to the next step. Okay, so I've removed both side panels and it just leaves this little bit behind here. All you need to do is take these two off, so just got a socket set to do that, and basically once this part's removed, should give me access to the radiator behind. You put the guard in place and then just reverse the process and screw everything back on again. If you can just see there, that's what I'm kind of hoping will protect it against. So it's chipped out just at the top of the radiator, like a stone has kind of chipped away that top piece of paintwork. So obviously, like I say, it's quite a large radiator, it's pretty exposed, so hopefully this will do its job. So we'll take these off and then hopefully we can just get the guard in place and sorted. Okay, so we've loosened the side panels away. As you can just see there, you just need to kind of loosen it enough so that it comes away from the radiator. The indicators won't come out because they're connected obviously by the cable, and that's kind of tight enough so that they don't just fall on the side. You can just sort of prop it up against the kind of screw holes so it doesn't slide away from the bike, and then it's just now a case of getting the radiator guard in place and tightening up those two screws on the side and then putting on the plastic panels again. Before you put the guard in place, you just have to put the little rubber spacers in place on the guard. So you have to locate the circles on the back of the guard and then push the spacers through. So that's pretty easy. These are just four there, a little bit fiddly, but once they're in place it's easy enough. So yeah, we'll try and fit it now. Okay, so we've got the radiator guard in place. Really easy, just a case of positioning it correctly and just installing the side panels on. Basically just reversing what we've already done. Dead easy, and it looks really good. Nice finish, it's powder coated, fits into the colour scheme on the bike, and it's really well made and sturdy, so should perform its job basically. One of the easiest modifications I guess you could do, only takes a few minutes, and so I definitely recommend it. If you've got any questions then please ask away in the comments, and hopefully you found that useful, and thanks for watching.